24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano for the most part is floating at $790,277,196 in an unobtrusive manner. ADA down roughly 3.7% inside the in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. Cardano's EMA10 sort of shows a vertical pattern, which truly is very huge. Cardano certainly shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, exhibiting how ADA down around 3.7% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which in every practical sense is very huge. 16 December 2023, in this video we will essentially walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these as often as possible in every practical sense, clarified some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is especially momentary cost expectation for Cardano, really is ADA, and especially wise speculation. Which in a real sense is very huge. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Yet, prior to plunging commonly profound into the ADA specialized investigation, generally let us certainly discuss the really current economic situations, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,599,597,582,709, showing how yet prior to plunging most certainly profound into the ADA specialized investigation, especially let us explicitly discuss the by and large current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $55,060,451,724, which generally is very huge. Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, or so they most certainly thought. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39%. Fundamentally further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano basically is floating at $790,277,196, or so they most certainly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 1.31%, coming to $2,244.89 during the past 24 hours, which generally shows that market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,599,597,582,709. Showing how yet prior to plunging truly profound into the ADA specialized investigation, really let us especially discuss the truly current economic situations, which in a real sense is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time span in an in every practical sense, huge way. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP really is somewhere near 1.63 and at present exchanging at 62 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Solana came to $74.13 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5.78% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions essentially show that the market by and large is going in a for the most part descending course for in every practical sense, present moment, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, a general most certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of significant manner. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, further appearance how yet prior to plunging profound into the ADA specialized examination. Basically let us truly discuss the essentially current economic situations in a kind of enormous manner. Support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become kind of more lovely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how the genuinely complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $55,060,451,724, which in a real sense is very critical. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which dealers fundamentally become fundamentally dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which vendors for the most part become sort of dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. which generally is very huge. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution. ADA generally has recorded a downtrend, losing 3.7% in especially most recent 24 hours, showing that yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the ADA specialized examination, explicitly let us basically discuss the kind of current economic situations. Or so they most certainly thought. The genuinely current worth of Cardano explicitly is floating at 61 cents, with the exchanging volume of $790,277,196 United States dollars in the equivalent time period in an unpretentious way. The sort of by and large market cap for ADA especially is $21,663,855,100 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 1.98% throughout the week, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano explicitly is drifting at $790,277,196, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano Value Examination. ADA Cost Examination for 16 December 2023, inside a very day-to-day time span, truly made sense of beneath. Further appearance how Cardano basically shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, exhibiting how ADA down roughly 3.7% inside the most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving especially normal, EMA, to generally break down the future development of the Cardano, exhibiting that while distributing this blog. BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time span, which generally is very critical. The ADA United States dollar moving truly normal union and disparity MACD marker in a real sense is showing an extremely present moment by and large sell commonly signal as the MACD line truly is moving beneath really signal line which fundamentally implies, especially bears sort of are ruling on the lookout, which especially is genuinely huge. While ADA's Williams %R pointer by and large is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange certainly signal basically is entirely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how Cardano's EMA10 basically shows a vertical pattern, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and basically is attempting to fundamentally break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, exhibiting that Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 16 December 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time period, sort of made sense of beneath, all things considered. Further appearance how Cardano by and large shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, showing how ADA down roughly 3.7% inside the especially most recent